But the AI's job doesn't end there. It continues to learn from each print run, refining its algorithms and improving the process over time. This continuous learning loop ensures the system gets better with each iteration, leading to even greater levels of precision and efficiency. So what does this mean for the wider industry? This case study is a perfect demonstration of how AI can revolutionize additive manufacturing. It shows that AI can help us overcome the limitations of traditional manufacturing methods, enabling us to print complex designs with unmatched precision. It also highlights how AI can reduce material wastage, leading to more sustainable manufacturing practices. As we move forward, we can expect to see more and more companies adopting AI in their manufacturing processes. The potential benefits are too great to ignore. From automotive to healthcare, from consumer goods to construction, the impact of AI in additive manufacturing is set to be transformative. As seen from this case study, AI in additive manufacturing is not about replacing human skills, but enhancing them, leading to unprecedented levels of precision and efficiency. AI and additive manufacturing are powerful tools individually, but when combined, they create a synergy that's truly transformative. We've delved into the fundamental concepts of both these technologies and explored their brilliant intersection. We've seen how AI, with its capability to learn and adapt, enhances the precision of additive manufacturing. This union not only reduces wastage but also improves efficiency, revolutionizing the production process. We also examined a case study that showcased the tangible benefits of this integration, emphasizing the practical implications of the theory. It's clear that the amalgamation of AI and additive manufacturing brings forth a new era of production, where intricate designs can be brought to life with an impeccable level of detail and accuracy. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the fusion of AI and additive manufacturing will undoubtedly pave the way for a future where complex designs are printed with unmatched precision,